Welcome to Is Phantom Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Phantom Wallet and further details are in the description below. Phantom Wallet is a popular non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed specifically for the Solana blockchain. It's tailored for users who want a secure, user-friendly way to manage Solana-based assets, NFTs, and interact with decentralized applications, DApps. One of Phantom's standout features is its simplicity, combined with robust security measures. As a non-custodial wallet, Phantom gives users full control over their private keys and recovery phrases, meaning you are solely responsible for your security. This removes the risk of your funds being exposed to third-party breaches that could occur with custodial wallets. Your private keys are stored locally on your device and encrypted, providing an extra layer of protection. Phantom Wallet also offers an integrated feature that allows users to connect seamlessly with Solana dApps, making it easier to engage with decentralized finance, DeFi services, NFT marketplaces, and other Solana-based platforms directly from the wallet interface. The wallet supports SOL, SPL tokens, and Solana-based NFTs, allowing users to manage all their assets in one place. For ease of use, Phantom Wallet provides a clean, intuitive interface, which is perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. It also allows for quick and secure transaction signing, making it simple to send and receive assets. Additionally, Phantom supports hardware wallet integration for those who want an extra layer of security. In terms of safety, Phantom Wallet employs industry-standard encryption, and it offers a 12-word seed phrase backup, which is essential for restoring your wallet if needed. The wallet's open-source nature ensures transparency and allows the community to audit its security. Overall, Phantom Wallet offers strong security, user-friendly features, and seamless integration with Solana's ecosystem, making it a safe and reliable choice for anyone managing Solana assets. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore Phantom Wallet further.